After the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table, there are some limitations in the Mendeleev's classification. Drawbacks, limitations, or we can say demerits. First demerit of Mendeleev is that some elements have same atomic masses. For example, cobalt and nickel has same atomic mass, that is 59. So there was an ambiguity to place these elements in the periodic table. काही एलिमेंटचे ॲटॉमिक मास सेम असल्यामुळं त्यांना पिरियडिक टेबलमध्ये कोणती जागा द्यायची याबद्दल कन्फ्युजन तयार झालं मेंडेलिव्हला. हे त्याचं फर्स्ट डिमेरिट. दुसरे डिमेरिट आयसोटोपबद्दल सांगता येईल. After the Mendeleev's periodic table, isotopes were discovered. Isotopes are the atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different atomic masses. They have same chemical properties. For example, chlorine has two isotopes. They have atomic number 70, but atomic mass is 35 and 37. So there was a challenge to place the isotopes in the Mendeleev periodic table because these atoms are the atoms of same element, same properties, but they have different atomic masses. And in Mendeleev's periodic table, elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic masses. So there was a challenge to place the isotopes in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Third demerit is that elements are arranged in the Mendeleev's periodic table in an increasing order of their atomic masses. But the increase in atomic mass was not uniform. म्हणजे एलिमेंटमध्ये जे ॲटॉमिक मास वाढत चालले त्यामधला जो फरक आहे तो युनिफॉर्म नव्हता, वेगवेगळा होता. काही ठिकाणी गॅप खूप जास्त होता. उदाहरणार्थ जर घेतलं आपण कॅल्शियम अँड टिटॅनियम. कॅल्शियमचा ॲटॉमिक मास आहे 40, टिटॅनियमचा आहे 48. या दोघांमध्ये खूप गॅप आहे. त्यामुळे मेंडेलिव्हला कन्फर्मली सांगता येत नव्हतं की या दोन एलिमेंटमध्ये किती एलिमेंटचा शोध लागेल. सो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू प्रेडिक्ट how many elements were present in between the two heavy elements. This was its third demerit. Then fourth merit is about the hydrogen. Hydrogen shows the similar property with the group of halogens, also with the group of alkali metals. If we compare the properties of hydrogen with chlorine, hydrogen has molecular formula H2. Similarly, chlorine has molecular formula Cl2. Hydrogen has molecular formula with sodium NaH. Chlorine has molecular formula with sodium NaCl. Hydrogen has molecular formula with carbon as CH4. Similarly, chlorine has also formula CCl4. It means hydrogen and halogens show similar chemical property. They have similar molecular formulas. Also, hydrogen shows similarity with the alkali metals. Alkali metals means lithium, sodium, potassium. For example, molecular formula of hydrogen with chlorine HCl, with oxygen H2O, with sulfur H2S. Similarly, sodium has molecular formula with the chlorine as NaCl, with oxygen as Na2O, with sulfur as Na2S. It means hydrogen shows similarity with sodium also. So it cannot be decided that the correct position of hydrogen in the Mendeleev's periodic table. So due to these four demerits, four limitations, Mendeleev's classification was failed.